If you're feeling hungry for a salad, then think again, because the type of salad that I got for you guys is a Greek salad with some Greek feta cheese and loads of lovely vegetables to go with it. I'm going to show you the Greek style way to make it, so let's get to it. Here are the ingredients that you need for this recipe. Basically what I've done with these tomatoes is cut them in half on both sides like this, right over here. Like you just use it with a knife. It's like crisscross. Once you've cut up all the tomatoes that you want to use for your dish, it will look something like this. Then I've cut up some pieces of feta cheese into little quarters. And if you want to add an onion to your recipe, then cut it very lightly, make it look like paper, and make sure that it doesn't get in your eyes because that will make you cry. And with the avocado right over here, you might want to cut them in quarters, like same as crisscross that I've done with the tomatoes, and then throw them in the bowl. You might want to put the feta cheese in there as well. Then add some lemon juice, and probably a little bit of walnut oil to give it a little bit of flavor, and salt to taste. And once all the ingredients are mixed into your bowl, it'll look something like this. Okay, let's have a little taste of this bad boy. Love the veggies. And let's try a little bit of the onion and feta with it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I love it. This is the Greek style way to make a Greek salad like this. So why not have a go with this, guys? A Greek salad. What more would you want for a perfect salad dish? That's what I'm talking about right there. Yum.